Good day. It's another day. It's another day of day again. It's still day of time. Yes. It's February 11. Ngayon namin isi-celebrate yung aming Valentine's Day kasi si RC may duty bukas hanggang Friday. Well, hindi naman kami lalabas, guys. We were thinking about it. Nagdadalawang isip kami kung kakain ba kami dyan sa may steakhouse na malapit sa amin for tonight's dinner or dito lang kami yung binili naming steak, yun lang yung lulutuin namin for tonight's dinner. So right now, si partner is gumagawa ng aming breakfast. Yes, because it's special. Charot. Yes, nakapaghanda na din ako ng pasensya na guys, may kalat kasi dito ako nag-edit for a while. Since December ata dito pa ako nag-edit. So medyo makalat talaga nandyan yung laptop, yung mga anything else. Yan, in the moment, yan na muna yung arrangement natin. Kasi nagluluto pa si partner ng pang-breakfast namin. Masarap yung breakfast namin, guys. Masarap yung breakfast namin. And then, gagawa lang ako ng bacon. Good morning. Gagawa lang tayo ng bacon para naman hindi siya ma-stress. Diba? Yung gagawin ko, guys, is bacon lang. Partner, gagawa ng... What are you making? Waffle. He's cooking waffle. Ang daming ice ng frozen pa. Paano kaya to?
Just put it in
Microwave?
nicht meine in den
Microwave.
microwave. Yeah, just a minute or something.
Yan. RC is RC.
Yeah.
So, ayan yung gagawin niya, guys. Blueberry pancake. Thank you.
Pancake, no. Waffle.
Waffle pala, guys. Blueberry waffle. Akala ko pancake. Blueberry waffle pala. Yan. So, guys, I will go out because there might be war here later.
No, not war.
Call me later when I should make the coffee na. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Tapos na kasi ako gumawa ng bacon. And yun lang ang aking And then later, ayan na ang ating Valentine's breakfast. Meron tayong bacon and blueberry waffle. Ooh, coffee. And we have maple syrup. Breakfast. Okay, ready na ang ating waffle. Oh, I want to get this little bit brown. I'll just take this. Doesn't matter. Kakamain ko na lang, Yan. And then let's take bacon. With sarap naman. And with maple syrup. Guten Appetit! Happy Valentine's!
Oh, happy Valentine's.
But before that, for you!
Oh.
Happy Valentine's!
Thank you, my dear. Oh. Thank you. Oh. Instead of flowers.
Oh. Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
Oh my god. I can buy already house for this. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
And now let's eat. This is blueberry waffle. Blueberry waffle, it's so delicious. Wow. Sarap. Okay.
The bacon's just as I like it.
Yeah.
Really good. Thank you.
Oh my god. Ang daming blueberry, oh. Lagyan natin ng... So, look at this. 1, 2, 3. Yan, guys, excited na siya. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Open na daw niya yung kanyang chocolates. Open, sesame. Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Look at this.
Ooh. Oh.
Yan. Looks good.
Yeah.
Hearty, hearty.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh.
This one, you would like this, I'm
Yeah.
sure. You want try it now? Hearty talaga. Valentine's Day. Yeah, and since it's still my day off, I can go shopping today. So, you prepare this. Now I'm going to clean this.
No. Oh, so much more.
No. Oh my shots. Thank you. How much is it? Oh, 1 million. 1 million pesos. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Naka 1 million tayo sa Valentine's Day. Buset. Buset.
Posset.
Buset.
Posset.
Yeah. Good evening. Another eating time since we are celebrating our advanced Valentine's Day. So, it's eating day. Dinner time na, guys. And I have set already the table for our dinner. And si partner is... At nagluluto na si partner ng ating steak. Ito yung sa akin. Yan yung kay partner. Yan. And then our French fries. Labas na tayo, guys. So, labas na tayo kasi baka magyayaw na naman si Mayordomo. Ayan. So, since ready na naman ang ating table, hintay lang ako sa kanya. You know what, guys? Today, wala talaga akong ginawa. I mean, nung breakfast, si partner ang gumawa. Hindi kami nag-lunch kasi nga, di ba, heavy yung breakfast namin. And then, nag-afternoon nag-afternoon snack kami. Yun lang din tira naming breakfast kanina. Yeah, wala akong ginawa. I mean, nag-edit lang ako ng mga couples of vlogs and then for reels natin sa ating Facebook page. And yun lang talaga. Wala akong gawa today. Supposedly, lalabas ako kasi meron na naman kaming team meeting sa trabaho. Hindi natuloy. Buti na lang din hindi natuloy. So, dito na talaga ako sa bahay. I mean, yeah, look at my outfit. Kahapon pa to, guys. Wala pang ligo si RC, di ba? Valentine's Day, walang ligo. Ay, hindi pa pala Valentine's Day. But anyways, nagsiselebrate kami pero walang ligo. Well, di ba? Nasa bahay lang naman. Yeah. So, si partner lahat ang gumawa for today. Di ba? Special. And then we will have wine for tonight. Wala kaming vegetables, anything sa aming steak. Pero nag-fry lang si partner ng onions. Yeah, with fried onions lang yung namin. Tapos, french fries. Yan lang talaga. Very simple. Wala na kaming dessert. Well, si partner, meron siyang dessert, diba? Dahil meron naman siyang mga chocolates. I think meron kaming ice cream. So, yun lang. Yeah, very simple, diba? Yun naman ang importante. Simple and as long as you are happy and contented, hindi naman kailangan in grande talaga, no? Every occasions. So, as long as you are contented together, happy and healthy, of course, diba? That's the most important in this world. Yeah, so ayun lang. Masasabi ko lang for the Valentine's Day, everybody, spread love, spread good vibes, spread love. Diba? Enjoy together with your family, with your loved ones. And I hope na masaya din ang inyong Valentine's Day. Gaya ko, masaya ang aking Valentine's Day. Well, depende naman yan sa tao kung paano nyo sineselebrate yung inyong Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, di ba? So, enjoy po natin ang ating Valentine's Day. And again, everybody, happy Valentine's Day! Wala pa akong food. Malapit na naman yung maluto. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Our steak. We have fried onions. While waiting sa ating french fries. Oops. At Iinom daw si partner. Para daw may pang-toast. Char, no? Char na char. Medium ata to guys, or I think well done to guys, paggawa ni partner. Sabi ko medium pero well done ang ginawa niya. Ang sa kanya din, well, look at sa kanya guys. Siya ang gumawa. Ano to eh, dapat isang ano lang to siya guys, isang piece. Ginawa niyang apat, di ba? Para maging well done talaga, di ba? Alam niyo na si partner. Tagal pa ng french fries, gutom na ako. Ang bango? French fries is finished. Ayan, our dinner for tonight. Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Roast.
Oh.
Guten Appetit.
Guten
This is
Appetit.
well done, yeah?
No.
No? Kain. Guten Appetit.
Oh.
We have fried onions. This is medium, right?
Oh.